Today I'm going to show you how to do a swing 180 hook for the Upraiz Tricking curriculum. Let's check it out. I'm Anthony and welcome to Upraiz. The channel is all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. If you're not sure how to do a swing 180 hook, aka Tsunami Kick, hopefully this video can help. And before continuing this video, I recommend that you have your pop 180 hook. If you do not, you can click right there for that tutorial. When you start this move, you're going to be starting in a front side stance looking forward at your target. You're going to bring your swing leg up and jump off your other leg. Turn your body, spot your target, and throw your hook kick. And then finish the move landing in a backside stance. Now don't forget to do these with a follow through at the end. You can also add a spin in the beginning to get a little bit more momentum. And you can also combine those two and do a spin and follow through to get a bunch of momentum for this trick. And I recommend you get used to doing all of them because you are going to be doing them later on in combinations. Now let's go ahead and break this move down into progressions. First progression is going to be a swing hook. Just bringing your swing leg up, putting it back down, and throwing a hook kick. And the second progression is going to be a swing zero hook. Same thing, but you're actually going to be jumping up in the air and throwing your hook kick. Now all we're doing, instead of starting in a backside stance, we're going to turn to a front side stance, do your swing zero hook, and add a 180 degree rotation to it. And that is your swing 180 hook, or tsunami kick, or step over hook, or skip hook. There's like 1,000 names for this move, I don't understand why. Also, when you do this move, make sure that you're jumping through the balls of your feet when you do it. And also make sure that you're landing on the balls of your feet. And always try your best to spot your target. It's a little bit difficult on the hook kicks, but just try your best. Let's check those out one more time. So that's it for today's video. I just want to say thank you to all the patrons who are supporting this channel. It means a lot to me to have a group of you guys that are just down for Upraiz as much as I am. Here at Upraiz, I'm all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. Next, we'll be getting into a cheat 180 hook, and it'd be awesome to have you with us. Stay motivated, keep growing. Upraiz, die. Upraiz, fly. Upraiz. You got another subscriber?